Today I was reviewing the TRUBAR at Costco after a few people have asked me to take a look at it. It is a protein bar for women by women. However, I don't really think it could be considered a protein bar. It's only got 12 grams of protein. It is quite small. I think it would probably veer better on the side of a snack after a meal, but it also does have sunflower oil, natural flavoring, palm oil, and cane sugar. I think they can do better on those things. But again, for the price of $13.89, that's less than $1 per bar. That's a great little deal.